వచ్చాను ఇట్లా వచ్చాను ఒక సెకండ్ వచ్చాను రా కిరణ్ ఒక సెకండ్ కిరణ్ తమ్ముడు వెనక్కి తమ్ముడు సార్ వచ్చాను సార్
Director 7, Mr. Garu, please. Right, thank you, sir. It's already delayed. The sir has got so many programs. He cancelled all his programs. Straight away he came to our school. And we are very much thankful to taking him to the school in spite of his busy schedule. Today's important meeting is just recently the election has been completed. The result, we waited for about 2 months for the results. అందుకని ఎంత టెన్షన్ పడి ఉంటారో మనకు తెలుసు, అందరికీ తెలుసు. ఫైనలీ we won. Sir. The same way, to develop the leadership quality among ourselves, among the students, our Vice Principal Nishita Madam conducted election for the first time in our school history. Yes, the MLA Garu unavailability. So today he accepted our invitation and he visited our school. Now I request our MLA Garu to announce the winners in the SPL election of the year.
తమ్ముడు రికార్డ్ చేసుకుంటాను.
Good morning, one and all. Especially all the teachers of this institution, teaching staff and non-teaching staff, more especially the lovely children who are sitting in front of me. I am happy to see you all, especially the most respected Manna Garu, Chaitanya Garu, and respected Anna Narsimha Garu, respected Vidyana Garu, respected Sub-Inspector of Police, Madanapalli Town, and all my dear friends who came along with me. See, I too participated in my school days as a SPL. I won with a majority of 300 votes. Please kindly come. ఇప్పుడు your male boys, head of the boy is D. Shashank Sai.
నీళ్ళ
Head of the girl by Charanya.
ఉన్నా తీసుకోండి మా వెనక్కి రమ్మా ఇట్లా చూడమ్మా అట్లా ఉన్నా
Deputy Head Boy, P. Reddy Moke.
చూడు తమ్ముడు చూడు
Deputy Head Girl, G. Akira. Next to the order, Sports Captain Boys, A. Likit.
విద్యాన్న
Sports Captain Girls, S. Sana.
ఉండమ్మా అన్న చూడండి అన్న
The last portfolio, Red House Captain P. Hemant Kumar.
చేయి హ్యాండ్ సెకండ్.
So, our school, all captains has been felicitated by our Honorable MLA Garu. And our Madanapalli captain is our MLA Garu, Shahjahan Basha Garu.
చిన్న దించున్నావు నిజము రైట్. జరుకోండి అన్న, జరుకోండి 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 జరుగునా లేచండి 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 చెప్పు. తాకిరన్నా మాట్లాడేసి ఏం లేదు అంతే. రా కిరణన్న గుండీలు ఎక్కొస్తాయి ఆయన అన్న అన్న
బుజ్జి అంటే ఒక నిమిషం నిలబడుకో.
వెనకమ్మా
Sit and straight and once again proper salute. So thank you, sir. Sir, finally 2 minutes. Our Captain Garu, Madanapalli Captain Garu will wish. My dear children, I congratulate all the male child children who got elected as SPL, Deputy SPL, Sports Leader, and also many posters in the campus, as well as my female child who was beside me. I congratulate all of you as a SPL, Deputy SPL, Sports Leader, and other than cultural leader. I pray God for your bright success, and you should shower like you will be the icon of this country, and you should become such a great in your leadership as well as your future as well as in your life. You should succeed in all ways. That's my wish to Almighty, and very nice to see you this morning. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your blessings. And Vidyanagar.
జరుగునా వెనక్కి రానా వెనక్కి రానా వెనక్కి రానా
ఏం
అర్థమే అంట ఇప్పుడు వేసాను వేసాను రా 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 అన్నం చూడమన్నా కానన్నా కొంచెం సైడ్ అన్నా ఇట్లే సెల్లులు పడేది